Alana, Alana.
Oh my
Answer your
God.
phone.
Say hi to YouTube. I'm on YouTube.
Oh, hi, YouTube.
Alright, let's try this again. Hello, friends, and welcome back to my channel. I suppose I should start calling you guys my classics or something like that because that's where we're at now. That was the one thing on the poll that was consistent. And speaking of the poll, the results are in, and it is... I really hope that you guys liked that as much as I did. I had a lot of fun making it. It took a couple hours between filming and editing and putting the music in and figuring out how to get the right shade of the grayscale. Oh. So, all in all, a lot of fun. I enjoyed it. If you liked it, be sure to give this a big thumbs up. That hurt. I just slapped my thumbnail against the desk. I also created a new end, like and subscribe clip, which will be at the end of this one for the first time, and then forever more. That's really all I have going on here today. I know this is really awkward and weird and such a bizarre video today, but that's okay because I'm just super excited to be revealing and debuting the new name, the new logo, which was at the end of that video that we watched there, with the eye, which matches my coloring with the aquamarine ring around the gray. See, a good portion of this is all me trying to find myself in the process of madness. And hello again. And I'm enjoying the fact that I at least found a look. I found a logo that I like, for at least to the time being. And I worked hard on it all by myself. Nobody helped me with that one. I did look up free YouTube intros online. Yeah, free if you want to pay 20 bucks. I don't make any money off of this. It's not happening. So, yeah, no. I really hope you liked this new intro and the new logo. I am going to be mixing a lot of contemporary and classic, hence classic. And I'm really just excited about all of it. So if you liked this video, please give it a big thumbs up because I have a lot of fun doing these. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button down below and make that bell ring loud and proud so you know when I post, because I'm posting every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Be sure also to share us with your family and friends because we are a family-friendly channel. I don't cuss. I don't do anything like that. I like to keep things extremely PG because I'd want things that my kids can watch. Bye, see you, love you, always thinking of you. Have a really great day. Don't let anyone get you down. Don't let anyone dull your sparkle. And remember, do it with passion or not at all.
I'm going home. I'll never stop. Hey, Ma.